Hello guys, welcome to the future of living room design, where the year 2024 ushers in an era of vibrant transformation and personal expression. Gone are the days of stark minimalism. Instead, we invite warmth and comfort into our homes. It's all about creating spaces that reflect our unique stories and styles. The end of stark minimalism. Prepare to say goodbye to cold, all white spaces. The trend now leans toward a balance of bold and gentle colors, creating an environment that lifts the spirit and enhances comfort. Think soft, warm hues that bring a sense of dopamine, enhancing joy to your everyday life. An update on maximalism. As minimalism takes a back seat, a new take on maximalism emerges. It's not about excess, but about a targeted mix and match approach that expresses your individuality. Combine geometric shapes, textures, and metals to craft a living room that's uniquely yours. Whimsy, fun, and oversized accent pieces. Get ready for a touch of whimsy in your living room with chunky accessories and oversized decor. Curved lines continue to make a statement, and statement lighting takes center stage, replacing small pendant lights with bold eye catching fixtures. Personal touches. This year is all about decorating with meaning. Curate your living room with pieces that tell your story, whether it's through family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or artwork that speaks to you. Sustainable chic. Sustainability is more than a buzzword. It's a lifestyle. Embrace eco-friendly design with recycled materials, upcycled furniture, and multifunctional elements that are as stylish as they are planet-friendly. Tech integrated smart spaces. Technology seamlessly integrates into our living spaces, offering both convenience and a touch of modernity. So, guys, join us as we explore these exciting trends and more, transforming your living room into a space that's ahead of the curve and perfect for 2024. Thanks for watching.